So what we got here is a claw machine, aka the bird catcher. And as you can see, this is the LCD display that's saying test your skills and also the instructions on how to play. Oh, how to play. 2 coins to play. Got a whole bunch of wiring, and we also got the relays for the outputs and everything, input, and bam, that's the project. We have a control box over here with the joystick, and also we have a sequencer over here.
Corn slot?
Hey, got a little corn slot in the bottom.
Put the quarters in.
So let's put one. Okay.
And
then we have the toys. Where we have like 4 toys. Then we got the drop box. So once you get your toy, it will drop inside. And then we got the claw. So the top mechanism works like this. And so let's give it a try. So he's gonna insert 1 coin. So it says 1 coin inserted. He's gonna put 2 coins. And now the game started, and he has 1 minute to play. So let's go.
So we're gonna go for that blue toy right there. I'm gonna press the sequence button.
Okay, so he's gonna
sequence should start. Oh,
almost
grabbed him.
Oh,
actually, I almost got him with the tape.
Okay.
Okay, so insert 2 coins.
Nice. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna insert 2 coins. Ba, ba, ba. The bird catcher.
Put it in there.
What's this?
Watch the display. First coin in.
That's 1 coin.
And
Second one.
coin.
Game started.
I dropped the coin.
Nice. You got your coin on the floor. Okay. So I guess he's gonna go for this one. Put that one right over there. Woo! Oh shoot. Sucks.
Miami-Dade College.
And then
Boom.
that's what would have happened if we won. But we didn't.
Okay, let's do it again.
Test your skills. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna test our skills.
2 quarters.
And we're gonna need to have 2 quarters. Cling cling.
Quarter number 1 goes in.
Test number 1799. So we're gonna test our skill with the bird catcher. So we got 2 coins in, and we're gonna put 1 in.
Here goes 1.
And then that's gonna say 1 coin inserted, and we're gonna go with the other one, and that's gonna start the game. And we have 1 minute to play. So let's see if he got some skills. Okay.
Oh my God, almost got him.
Almost.
Again, dude.
Your turn? Okay. So we got a friendly user with 50 cents. 1 coin inserted. And then 2 quarters. We need 2 quarters to play, man. Now you got 1 minute to play the game. Oh, yeah. Time's running out.
You know who broke it, right?
Oh,
No, it's the PLC box.
Okay.
That's it. Hey man, you playing? You watching?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so you should start the sequence. Woo. Oh, maybe he has some luck.
Oh, you suck, man. Let me try this again.
Wait. And then?
Hey, no good, man. No good. Test your skills. Insert 2 coins.
Alright, so
See your quarters, sir.
So first one in.
First one in. That's 1 quarter in. Inserted 1. Then the second one. Boom. Game starts.
Alright.
Boom. So we got the user playing.
My mom's like,
Hmm.
you're the only one who graduates.
Ah.
Keep going.
So I'm gonna go for the dog.
Alright. Thank you.
It's pretty much what you have.
Chris, I'll see you guys on Tuesday.
Yeah, are you kidding me?
I will be here.
I know what to do though. No, I know what to do.
Thank you again for a nice
No,
2 years.
no.
And winner.